ba-Ingles.
Formation. Partners stand opposite each other about 6 feet apart. When facing audience, girl stands at partner's right. One to any number of couples may take part in this dance. Music introduction. 3-step turn right in place and bow to partner or audience. Girl holding skirt, boy's hands on waist.
Starting with right foot, take 4 chain steps forward to meet partner at center. Kumintang right and left hand alternately, free hand on waist. Turn right about and repeat A, going to proper places. Finish facing partner, turning right about.
Go.
Repeat A and B.
Ba-Ingles.
The movements of boy and girl are done simultaneously. Boy, starting with right foot, take 4 chain steps forward to partner's right side. Take bigger steps to reach partner's side. Kumintang hands as in figure 1. Turn right about and repeat figure A going to proper places. Finish facing partner, turning right about. Girl, clap hands 3 times to measure. Count 1 and 2 throughout this figure.
Throughout this figure, kumintang right and left hand alternately as in figure 1. Partners take 2 chain steps forward, starting with right foot to meet at center. Change step, turn right in place. Finish the turn in front of partner facing each other. 2 change steps forward, passing by each other's right shoulder, going to partner's place. Change step, turn right, finish facing each other. Repeat all A to D, finishing in proper places.
Mhm. Music plays slowly. Starting with right foot, partners take 4 steps forward to meet at center. Girl holding skirt, boys hands on waist. Face left and step right foot sideward. Count 1. Point left, foot cross right in rear and bend knees slightly. Kumintang right hand, left hand on waist. Count 2. Partners stand side by side by the right shoulders and looking at each other. Step left foot sideward. Turn right about and point right across the left in rear. Bend the knees slightly. Kumintang left hand, right hand on waist. Partners stand side by left shoulders and looking at each other. Facing each other and starting with right foot. Take 4 steps backward to proper places. Hands as in figure A. 4 steps in place, starting with right foot, hands as in figure A. Repeat all figure A to E. Repeat figure 2. This time, girl goes to the right and then to left side of partner. Boy claps hand.
Pa English.